We're taking a look today at our NTSG15-HD Selector Grapple. This is one of our premier Selector Grapples. This grapple is designed for machines operating around 20 to 25 tons. She weighs in at 1,500 kilos. It's a good lump of steel there for some heavy duty demolition operations. Our Selector Grapple is designed with the demolition operator in mind. A lot of the Selector Grapples on the rotation system have a lot of access points where there can be problems, rebar and material getting into there, damaging the rotation, damaging the hydraulics. In our grab, all of the rotation's encased in a tubular construction, keeps things nice and tight, nowhere for anything to get in there and damage it, and it's mounted, fastened up here onto a heavy duty slew ring. The rotation comes down onto our box. The box on a lot of Selector Grapples can be a lightweight construction. On ours, it's a folded, heavy 20mm section. You're looking at a grab that's got extra reinforcing into the sides and keeps all the weight in the corners of the grab where the basket shells work and the forces are maintained. Looking round then, as we go on to the cylinder in the Selector Grab is an oversized heavy-duty cylinder, and the cylinder in our grapple is held in place by two tension bars. The two tension bars resist the twisting moment that happens on the grab, especially when you're trying to pick something up on the corners. Tension bars hold that tight, and coupled with the torsion tube along the top, all the tubular structure keeps everything tight, everything nice and secure. Moving down onto the actual construction of our basket shells, the shells themselves we make from finished Rayex steel. The profile of the actual shells is designed to offer a nice smooth resistance to material, so when you're working in a building you're not going to catch onto anything that's in there. In the back of the shells we have ribs. We can also make a plate version depending upon the actual application. This one's the rib version. The ribs on this are 15mm. An increase in ribs in here and an increase in depth, and the depth gives structure and gives strength to the shells themselves. All this is held in place by reaction pieces across the back. These are welded in solid. These help maintain the ribs, maintain the stiffness of the structure, and because they're actually inside the structure, nothing can catch as it goes down, and it offers a smooth profile. That runs down to a heavy-duty cutting edge, and here we have replaceable, reversible cutting edges. These edges, 25mm thick, HP 420 material, fastened on with plough bolts, so one man can change these and swap them. They can be reversed, changed over, and you're back in business again. This is our NTSG15-HD Selector Grapple. HD for heavy duty, made and designed to withstand the rigours of a demolition site.